Rick T, Outdoor Adventure, and Billy, and we're out in forest on this absolutely fantastically gorgeous day, isn't it, Billy? Eh? Beautiful. The birds are out. It's absolutely mint. Spring. But today I'm going to show you something that we've been making over the last couple of months, and it's an ammo can stove. It's a fantastic bit of kit. It's going to be its first proper burn today. It's going to be great to test it out. I've made it mainly for next winter really, and I'm not a massive hot tent camper, but it's going to be good with Billy on a few of those cold camps next winter. And but just a great project to make, and it's going to be good to test it out this morning. But yeah, stick with us and I'll show you how we made it. Absolutely brilliant. Fits in my pack. It's not heavy. It's pretty light. It's and I'm damn sure it's going to do a good job. But like I say, it's quite easy to carry. I've carried it for a good few miles through forest today and everything. No problem, no issue. So yeah, stick with us and have a look at it. Good, yeah. He always wants in on the action, doesn't he? So that's the stove. That's the ammo can stove that we've built. Yep, pretty damn light. I've not weighed it, but it hardly weighs. It's pretty light. It's really good. It's not a bad size. This is the bigger ammo can stove, so it's got a bit more height on it, a bit more volume to load up with logs, etc. But it's looking pretty good, isn't it? Nice door on the front there. Decent amount of space to load up. So, regulator for the airflow. So it's looking like a good bit of kit really, and we're going to check it out. I've got 3 legs on the front. So at the front here, underneath I should say, 1 at the back, 2 at the front. And we've made these so that they'll close up and they don't stick out anywhere. They all fit together nicely at the bottom there. Yeah. But I'll show you what I've done to make it more stable. Because I've not got a particularly wide stance there, I've done something to make it more stable. I'll show you. So what I've done at the front, yeah, alright Billy, good lad. So you can see the legs are not particularly wide, so we've made some supports to just extend that width. So one fits in that side, right now Billy boy, and one fits in that side. And as you turn them, they lock in because of a friction fit. So I've got one there, just gives me that added, splays them out further, so we've got a lot more support, because last thing I want is a hot brew falling off here in my tent at night and scalding me. Yeah, so that gives me that extra protection, extra bit of safety for it falling over. Makes a massive difference. So looking inside it, we've left the same bits on so I can open it. Yep. So inside we've got a grate at the bottom that comes in and out. Yep. That makes it better for airflow underneath your coals and underneath your wood. We've got a steel plate on top, which is going to direct the heat up here and onto this part of the plate and then out of the chimney. Yep. Bit of fire rope around the top just to seal it, although I think it'd probably seal anyway. Locks down. Boom. So I can load it from the top if I want, or I can load from the door. Probably from the top to start with, get my feather sticks in, etc, etc, and away we go. Chimney wise, I've started off with an original piece. This is what somebody gave me. Ant Survive the Night gave me this, so I think this is out of a Frontier stove, I'm not sure. But yeah, it was kindly surplus to requirements for ants, so he gave it me. And that's got a damper in it, which is brilliant. So that's going to help me loads with it being a good solid original piece. What I did with that was I cut a bit off and welded a bit on the bottom, so this bit slides into there. Then my other sections of chimney I've made out of baking tins. Yep, so they're lightweight and a bit like them titanium chimneys that you crunch up. So all I do is I squeeze them in, slide it in, it locks in place. My next one slides on top of that, locks in place. I've got these little wire connectors so they don't pop out when they're not in here. Obviously they go tighter once they're located in. Yep. So I've got several sections of them. Bit of a breeze. there with them other feather sticks. Have you heard that? Sounds like a train. I'm really happy with that. It's, you like it, Billy? Hey, is it good? Is it warm our tent up next winter, that? But yeah, no, I'm really happy with that. It's banging out some good heat. This will be boiling in no time. The chimney's drawing really well. I'm not getting any escape. There's no smoke escaping from anywhere else. I can actually see the heat coming off here. You know when the air is like wavy? That is banging out some brilliant heat. The door works well. I can hear it puffing away. Yeah, I'm really happy with that. I'm sure it's going to be used in the winter. Get a couple of pieces on top just to dry them out a little bit as well. Not far off a boil there. What we'll have some nettle tea. So I'll get them in now. Well, I can safely say the ammo can stove is a success. I've got to say thanks to my cousin Simon. Yeah, Simon Early Wildlife Photography. If you look on his channel, he makes a lot of things. He's very crafty, and we used his workshop. We used a lot of his tools, and Simon got stuck into it and did a lot of the work with me. So thanks to Simon. But I say if you're quite crafty, and you're pretty good. You've got a few tools and bits and pieces and a bit of room to work. You don't need much to make one of them, and it cost us 15 quid to buy the ammo can stove, and everything else is just procured from Ants gave me this bottom section, but the other bits are baking. They're like cookie trays. They're about £2.5 quid each, so I've got 3 of them there. Might get a couple of more, so you're looking at, I don't know, and a bit of paint, 30 quid or something like that. But it's nice to have made something yourself, and I'm going to use it myself in the hot tent. I'll probably use it with this sort of configuration. Just put it in the entrance to your shelter there and what have you, and if you've got your shelter right way around, it'll definitely give you some heat, there's no doubt about it, and good for cooking on. You've got an egg butty, and a bit of nettle tea. That'll do us for dinner, and we'll have a good mooch round forest. So anyway, come here Billy, come sit down here. So anyway, thanks for catching up with us, and look after yourselves, and we'll catch you again real soon. Alright, see you later. Ta-ra. So that's it, all packed up on my back, piece of cake. It's a good weight really, not like your boat stoves that are like some serious poundage to carry. This is pretty easy. Easy fit my sleeping bag and kit in here, and kit for night, no probs. Anyway, thanks for joining us. We'll catch you again real soon. Ta-da!